that's not where we are. So this one isn't for. This one is just for biting breads. So you drink this 3 times a day, or you could just have the whole 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of it, and then after that you're gonna be good. So let's drink. Me, I'm gonna drink this one only. I'm gonna drink this one only, and you're gonna be good with me. Okay? We are good together. You are good. We are good.
100K likes.
Thank you so much. So this one, DM for price, guys, because this one is for getting the bread and living with it and getting married with the bread, and so that you can be the bakery. This one is for being a bakery, and then this one is just for biting and then letting the bakery give up, and then yes. Okay, twice now. Are you must hold the glass.
We need to refill our apple juice. Should we refill it or
No.
We can't refill it.
They're
They're
gonna steal our business.
No,
we are not doing that.
If you wanna find
we're gonna do it, Chomi. Just not now. We're gonna do it.
We need to do it.
Okay.
If you wanna see our brand name, you need to order it from us.
Sharp. Guys, tap the screen. Don't be scared. You must tap. Thank you for 100K though.
A lousy 100K is good.
Okay, anyway, so back to what I was saying. This could be us, but you playing. Uyawudlala lona? Yes. Ngiyazidlala isikero. Ufuna senze njani?
My baby L.
Are you not going there?
No.
Sit here, John.
It's okay.
Fine here.
How baby Elia jumhlungu manje?
Baby Elia kusho okay.
Oh, Hosea. Manje 100K laphan. Oh.
Guys, I think it's ngiyanixoxela phela ukuthi there's apple juice thina phela mina phela bekumele ngibe encourage ukuthi sibe right. Kodwa manje like I can tell you guys that ukuthi apple juice le yibona le ayinamagwebu. That's how you can tell the difference. Allows you 100K. Engayenza indaba kodwa engayenza. Why does it sound like a pool?
A pool?
Yo, I need a pool. Nice. I need a pool right now.
Yo, yes, you need this apple juice. What's the promo result? I'm still away.
My promo results are promo January.
I think I need this apple juice for promo results. What's the order?
Yes. I need. Sorry, guys, my reception is very bad. Very bad. I wasn't reading the comments. I'm so sorry, ne? But all I'm saying is that DM for price. We are selling this. This one is the one that you can bite the whole bread and take. You can even take the bakery also. You just bite and you leave with it. The rest, this one, sorry, this one is very weak. This one is the strongest. That's why it's so weak. Because this one you can just block, mute. Don't just block, also mute. Bitch, nigga. If you're a nigga, if you're a bitch, fuck you, bitch. Hoe ass bitch with your sagging lips. Your lips are sagging.
Yeah, true.
Oh, your pussy is so dry. It's so dry. It's drier than the desert. Oh my god, I'm so sorry that your pussy is so dry. But like, it's not my fault that your pussy is dry. It's not my fault. Fuck off with your dry ass pussy. No one enjoys dry pussy, okay? Dry ass pussy.
It's like you can reach 100K likes, yes?
No. Okay, people can like, but like, Unkulumana lowe dry pussy. You have a dry pussy. If you're a woman, like, your pussy is so dry. How am I? It's dry. Oh, it's dry njenga lelo. Yabona lele isile. Uyayibona usinjani? Okay, at least lo mengimpressa kanje uyastika kancane yabona. Silifihle ihlazo. Wena lo bu-dry bakho bu-dry or dry lemon. Wena your pussy is so dry. Your pussy is dry. Your pussy is so dry. I hate that you have a dry pussy because it's not nice. Your pussy is dry. I hate dry pussies also. If I was a man, I would hate dry pussies also. Because why is your pussy dry? I'm so sorry guys. No, I'm so sorry. Yo. Okay, anyways, this you can buy this apple juice.